In the year 1990, a company of USA called Sun Microsystems decided to develop a special software to manipulate consumer electronic devices, such as TV, toasters, washing machines, etc. In order to discuss the idea, many individuals met in Aspen, Colorado of the United States, including the Vice President of Sun Microsystems Mr. Bill Joy, James Gosling, Mike Schrade, and Patrick Naughton. The idea was to develop smart consumer electronic devices that could all be centrally controlled and programmed for handheld remote control-like device. The project was called Stealth, which means to do something so quietly and carefully that no one notices. In 1991, the name Stealth changed to Green Project, and the major tasks were undertaken by 3 people. Mike Schrade concentrated on business development. Patrick Naughton worked on the graphics, and James Gosling worked to identify the appropriate programming language. Initially, they started to develop the project in C++, but they faced many problems as they tried to extend the C++ compiler. Then they realized that a platform-independent programming language is needed. Later, in 1991, Green Project team announced a new language. They first called it Greenthal, with a file extension of .gt, and later changed it to Oak as it is a symbol of strength and chosen as a national tree of many countries like USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. In 1992, an intelligent remote control, called Star 7, was delivered as the first product of Green Project. This device was comprised of the new language Oak. This device was quite impressive to the Sun executives, but no customer was interested in this project. In 1993, World Wide Web appeared on the Internet, and it transformed text-based Internet into graphic-rich environment. The Green Project team came up with the idea of developing tiny programs, called applets, using the new language. That could run on all types of computers connected to the Internet. And renamed Oak to Java because it was already a trademark by Oak Technologies. Java was named after an island of Indonesia where first coffee was produced. In 1994, Sun realized that most of the browsers do not support Java and it is restricting people from using it. Therefore, they developed a browser called Hot Java to locate and run applet programs on the Internet. In 1995, Sun released the very first version of Java, promising write once, run anywhere, WORA. Providing no-cost runtimes on popular platforms with fairly secure and featuring configurable security. Major web browsers soon incorporated the ability to run Java applets within their web pages, and Java quickly became popular. Time magazine called Java one of the 10 best products of 1995. In 1996, Java established itself not only as a leader for Internet programming but also as a general-purpose object-oriented programming language. The most striking feature of the language is that it is not tied to any particular hardware or operating system.